Okay, so the rules are that if you jump it, you can't knock it down or refuse it, because then you'll be disqualified. And also you must jump from right here. You must start cantering from right here. And then you may jump. And that's the only rules. This is so easy, as always. That was so easy. You need to raise the jumps. And also, you're new. You shouldn't be judging. Don't know anything about this religion. What? This is a religion? Of course. Weird. Okay. Thanks for judging us. That's the nicest thing someone has said to me today. Really? Wow. I jumped it. Yes, and you didn't knock it down. Yay! Can't believe I didn't disqualify him. He barely made it over that. Okay, raising the jumps. Okay, go on. It's so easy. Okay, I can do this. I didn't do it. I'm sorry. I'm disqualified. Yep. You're never gonna beat me. Well, maybe I won't. Exactly. Okay. Thanks again. You're welcome. Nicest person all day. Raising the jump banana hole. Bet you can't make it. Maybe I can't. Well, you won't. Watch this. Actually, that's pretty high. No! Give me another chance. I can normally jump that high. I'm sorry, you're disqualified. You little. Okay. You make it over this jump, then you win. Okay.